Hi, I'm John Derian, and welcome to my office. I've been making decoupage for 30 years now. This year is my anniversary. I became obsessed with paper probably in the early 80s by accident, and then I started making things with paper. And then '89, I started making my first plates, and then the rest is history. I just keep making things. And most images come from a book or books from the 19th century. This book I got in Paris, and we've used it for a bunch of things. So this bat's cool. It's so funny because, you know, pre-photography, they had to sort of create things without having images, but sometimes they give them human eyes, which are really funny. I'm always sort of exploring new ways to put my images on things. Raspberries, salvia, palm trees, daffodils, orchids, melons. So this is my desk and my wall of inspiration. Like how most people have walls of inspiration that they change all the time, mine's been there like 10 years. So this is my top drawer. These are my essentials. Isn't she the cutest? This is Bunny. Where we make everything is in the Lower East Side, just 2 blocks away. What's on the walls over here are all the things in the collection. We have paperweights, we have cake pedestals. They're all printed individually, then they're cut out individually, then they're pieced together individually, so there's a lot of labor. The glass is made here in the US. The images that I find are all 18th and 19th century. I come upon them or through print dealers or bookshops or flea markets. She's using her magic formula glue. After the glue goes on the surface of the image and the glass goes on top. After the things are glued, they come over here and they sit here to dry, and then this gets varnished again. Maria, don't look at the camera. So basically I work in my studio, lose track of time, or my stores, but somehow something inside me around 3:30 tells me it's time to eat. Welcome to Il Buco, my favorite restaurant in New York City, conveniently located to my shops and apartment. Hi, thank you. That looks amazing. I do have a house charge, but you can't use it. Even though my apartment's above the shop and it's 22 steps away, I'm still always late. Hello, welcome to my shop. I opened the shop in 1995. There's, you know, everything from trays to paperweights to coasters to light switch covers to 3D things like vases and cups. And then we also have some things fresh out of the studio from this morning. We have some melon, Queen Anne's lace, clover, some more fruit. This is a new series. It's like an 18th century pressed leaf, which is really pretty. Oh, this is my eye, which is pretty iconic. That's scary? Okay. We are at 7 o'clock. The shop's closing. Everything's tidy. The plates are straightened. That doesn't mean I might not sneak down here tonight when the shop's closed, because I live upstairs and there's a side door because I can't stop myself. Bye. Thanks. Where is Bunny? Anyone see Bunny? Bunny!